So today is January 1st. Yesterday I don't think I filmed anything, but yeah, today's January 1st. We're closed today. So I'm gonna do some things that as a business owner you just gotta do, sadly. Yeah. So today I'm going to defrost my freezer, clean the oven, and do a little housekeeping. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm gonna do. This is my freezer, and I have to take all of this stuff out to defrost the icicles in the back. It's not that bad, actually. The hard part is taking things out and bringing it back. Actually, if you see, after I moved all that stuff, it's kind of bad. It's dripping onto cakes here, so I kind of probably need to throw that away. It's brand new, so clean. Look at that. Okay. Now it's time for me to put everything back. Okay, next we're going to clean my oven. I have two ovens, one here and one below. They're not a double size oven, but it fits half size sheet tray. And right now it's actually not that bad. I cleaned it, I think, a couple months ago, so it's not that bad. But I mean, while I'm here, I might as well do it, right? So I'll show you how I do that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take out these racks, and I'm going to put it in the dishwasher and let it sit in there for a bit, like maybe until I'm finished cleaning the oven, just so that the steam will kind of release any of the stubborn, like, burnt on burnt on bits. And how I clean the window is I use a razor blade, a brand new one that's sharp so I don't scratch the glass, and also a wet rag. Since it's not that bad, I'm not using a magic eraser. Normally I do use a magic eraser if there's a lot of grease marks. So I will just kind of wet the window first. Make sure it's nice and wet. Okay, and then I'll use my razor blade to just scratch off those brown greasy bits. So I'll work in sections, and I will keep going back and forth between like wiping it, cleaning off the rag. So I have finished cleaning both ovens. I just turn it on to try it. So here, bottom one. So that took around 30 minutes to do both ovens. Not bad. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do today is I'm going to fix our signs. So this is what I did this morning is I redid our allergen guide so you know what is gluten-free so that people don't have to memorize it. And then I also reprinted our product tags because sometimes it's just all over the place. The price changes, the ingredient changes, new products, all that stuff. So I did that all this morning. So Level V Bakery opened in 2020. Prior to that, I was doing it as a side hustle in my own kitchen on weekends. At this point, I've had my store for 5.5 years, almost 6 now. And if you're thinking about starting your own bakery and being your own boss, here are 3 things you should consider. 1, you think you would work less, but in fact, you actually work more. Literally all the time. If I'm not physically baking, I'm either running around the city picking up some random piece of equipment or ingredient, cleaning, bookkeeping, or replying emails. Vacation is non-existent. 2, every day is different. You never know if it will be busy or not. It's unpredictable in most cases. It could be sunny out and you anticipate it being really busy, so then you bake a bunch of stuff. However, it turns out to be the complete opposite. 3, employees have a lot of needs. It's like they became my adopted children all of a sudden. Your business has to be profitable and successful because they rely on receiving their paycheck. They also have paid sick days and paid vacation, and when they're not working, guess who is working? Me. What's that?
Turn my head on the bathroom. Or she curls in a ball. Yes, you. It's too hot.
Usually what I get is Echo.
What's that?
Hey, Echo, come on. Hey,
Where
come.
are you going?
Good girl.
Thanks for watching my video. I know it's not the most exciting thing, but I want to share the realistic side of owning a business. If you enjoyed this content, please comment below and I'll see you next time.